In this video, I will show how to download YouTube videos for your personal computer. First, go to youtube.com, then click on your account on the top right corner and go to YouTube Studio. Then select Content from the left side options. If you have uploaded any content to YouTube, you will see the download button here. Now let's see how to download another video in YouTube. Simply search for a video. Then you will see the download button here. This method allows you to download other people's videos and you can watch them offline. This method is 100% legal and requires a paid subscription to YouTube Premium at the time of recording this video. Thank you for watching.